Because from as a broker point of view, that we get across client and we work very hard with the insurance companies to convince them, and at the same time to abide the UNOs and even US and European sanctions to talk with them. But then really, if we see that nobody or no vessel owner would like to take a risk with a company which are not willing to cooperate, and from the day one they are asking them to sign the indemnity clauses and which exclude them from their legitimate claim when it comes to the other side, any utilities happen. So I would like the panel, I believe, not from my side, to address, because you are the people who are insuring and the reinsurers side to answer this.
Mr. Taysir, would you like to comment on this point?
From our own experience, I mean from our own experience at Oman Reinsurance Company, the dependency, I mean the insurance extends also to dependency and reinsurers, i.e. the local or the regional reinsurers depend so much on the international reinsurance market, and we are, have to comply with the sanctions, or we are obliged indeed to comply with the sanctions, which means that if we want to write an Iranian business, we write it to our net account without any reinsurance cover. And as you know, Iran is highly exposed to natural catastrophes, and one has to be careful about it. Actually, we are still involved, but our involvement is very, very, very small due to lack of any retro cover for the family.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'll say just a correction. I don't know whether I'll disagree here. Because Iran, I don't think so, is exposed to natural catastrophe, because the whole world, as I said, is unpredictable. It's not only if it comes to natural catastrophe that Iran is something which is affected. But at the same time, what I was trying to see is, and I agree with Samir and me, also Michael and other Nick here on the panel, that the insurance coverage for the reinsurance, which are today, which have been more exposed to international arena, international world, should be brought in consideration, that be locally concentrated, so that we know, because it's like, you dance on the tune which is played in the region, people will recognize it. That's what it is. So how come you're telling the person or the company who is sitting abroad in Europe and all, and they don't know even the region well, and then the reasonings, whereas we as a local player from the market will assess the risk properly and will evaluate the risk properly rather than. So I think the answer which I see from my perspective is that all the insurance community should put hands together and then and compromise on retaining locally rather than internationally. This is a right place which I can see to reduce this opportunity to lose also and reduce the risk as well.
Taysir, do you want to comment in perhaps 1 minute, please? We're running out of time.
What?
Yeah.
Regarding yes, Iran, of course. I mean, I think the fact that Iran is exposed to earthquake cannot be exaggerated. I mean, in the last decade, there were several earthquakes took in place, but the insurance industry was lucky in that all these took place in four areas, and there were no insured losses. But of course, we know, I think all of us agree that if something serious happens in Tehran's greater area, the insurance industry in Iran and the insurance industry who are the reinsurers involved in Iran will be in a serious situation.
Okay, thank you very much. There is one more point, which is I did not think we elaborated on it enough, perhaps in the interest of businesses to keep the market advantage to themselves with regards to opportunities, is that I would like to show of hands as to how many people think that the current situations have created opportunities for them and will enhance their business. No? How many people here believe that the current situation in the region have created opportunities for their business, in the sense that they can sell now more products, perhaps at a higher premiums, perhaps they can put them in an advantage over maybe the competition as a result of the current situation in the region? Okay. So I think maybe around 40–50% of the people think that they have an advantage of that situation. We have a question right here.
No, I just have a...
Yes, we can hear you.
Hello. I just have a comment. I think we talked at length about Iran and sanctions, etc. I think the issue here that we need to understand is that the international sanctions in respect of Iran, be it the United Nations or the European sanctions, applies equally to regional players as well. It is not a European or US sanctions. It is an international sanctions which applies to regional players as well. So I think this is an important issue that needs to be understood. The second point is, one of your panelists was talking about exposures on earthquake. I have to respectfully disagree with your panelists, because the earthquake exposure in Iran is extensive, to the extent that the covers being purchased in the Iranian market are of the order of €1 billion coverage, and that is substantial. So therefore, I think one of your panelists, Mr. Treki, was quite right in the point that that exposure is extremely huge and needs extensive understanding of the nature of that business.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Any other questions?
Thank you. I was just to know and remind this fact, which the Iranian sanction, I think has created a very good opportunity for a lot of reinsurance in the region, because as you remember, the Iranian insurance company has a good relationship from many years ago with the famous reinsurance company in the region, such as IGI, Better Insurance Company, Machinery+P, GIC in India, Club+Insurance, and something like this. After the sanctions, and also the Lloyd's market, Swiss Re, all of them are a huge partner for the Navy, Iranian oil and gas and energy partner. But concerning the some political decision, their business step by step a little decreased, but most of them are very keen for their law. They are actively with the insurance company in Iran for more the market sector. It is very important. The Iranian insurance company right now increased the quantity to 282 private companies, and they are not covered, and they are not on the political observation, okay? And they have their own client, and their projects, and if the raising old friends in the region, such as I named the reinsurance company, don't have interest to engage with this client, step by step the insurance company, Iranian insurance company goes there to make a consensus with each other and place this insurance internal, and the relation will decrease. But I think for this huge capacity which the private sector can develop and give to the international market in the region, this actually it is very good opportunity for the professional reinsurance and reliable and rated insurance to have more share from the Iran, energy, aviation, and oil industry.
Okay, thank you very much.